Welcome back. Well, if you like the weather over the last couple of days, you're going to like the forecast moving forward, but changes on the way Thursday night into Friday. We have some rain chances, a frontal trough moving in, and then a little bit more of an unsettled pattern as we segue through the weekend and into Thanksgiving week and beyond. So let's take a look at this upper level pattern as we look at that low that's over by California. Now, the main impetus of that system is going to go up across the northern plains, but we're going to get some tail end energy pushing on through here. That's going to generate scattered showers and a few thunderstorms, we think, as we head into late Thursday night, more likely Friday, but ending, we think, by Friday afternoon. So going into the weekend, still maybe some lingering rain chances. I changed the forecast a little bit for the weekend. You see that weather system in the west producing rain at lower elevations and then snow at higher elevations. And another storm system off to our north that's drawing the southerly winds. That's going to keep us moist. We call it damp when we have temperatures in the mid 60s, but it's high humidity with temperatures and dew points pretty much matching. Taking a look at the radar imagery, we have some ground clutter there, but we did have a few spotty showers and a little bit of a cloud bank, just a cloud street that developed and had enough boost in it to present a few spotty showers. So there was your 5% today. I think we don't see as much in the way of the cloud cover tomorrow, but we'll see. We went mostly sunny later on in the afternoon. But overnight tonight, there could be some fog in the forecast, and then as we head into Wednesday afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures pushing that record high, which is 84, set back in 1930, and we stay in the 60s again tomorrow night. Another round of fog, and then as we go into our Friday, it looks like we'll start to see scattered showers and thunder showers developing, and the Euro is a little bit more aggressive on the rains, but you can see they decrease in intensity as they move across the area, so we don't expect a whole lot of rain. Maybe a few spotty showers Saturday now. Sunday looking okay. Plenty of clouds in the area. Then we get into Tuesday. That looks to be our next weather maker that could produce shower storms, maybe a severe weather threat. And then we head into Wednesday, Thursday. It gets cooler, but not too terribly cold. We're talking maybe holding in the 50s for Thursday, maybe lower 60s for our Thanksgiving. And cold air will be invading, but the main thrust is going to be north and east of us. But we could eventually get down into the 30s as we head into the back end of the Thanksgiving weekend. With the rain coming later this week, not much in the way of rain totals across the board. You add that Tuesday event and maybe more decent rains in the forecast, much wetter back to our north and west. So overnight tonight, the fog develops, especially as we get closer to daybreak. I tried to get up early this morning, but I missed the fog. Get it? And then for tomorrow, after, there's nobody in the studio right now to laugh at me, so I'll just go ahead and go with it. And then tomorrow, we're looking at tomorrow night into Thursday morning, we're looking at half-mile visibility or less, maybe a stronger signal for thick fog. And you got to watch out for that fog this time of year. If it combines with cane smoke, it certainly could turn into super fog where your visibility could go less than 50 feet. Mid-60s overnight tonight. Tomorrow into the low to mid-80s we go. So overnight tonight, 64 is the low as fog gradually develops through the daybreak hours. A chance of misty drizzles out there at about 5% toward daybreak, and much the same for tomorrow morning. Morning fog and clouds, but it'll give way to afternoon sun. Quite warm, 84 the projected high, and at least threatening to tie the record set back some 95 years ago, and more 80s to come as we head into the weekend with some rain chances. Sunday looks drier than Saturday, and then next week it gets a little bit more interesting and eventually colder Thanksgiving and into the following weekend. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.